Good day, guys. As you all know me, as a mentor, Nasdaq Ninja. So, guys, if you can continue, can you please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified once I upload. So, guys, today we're going to actually analyze GBP USD, Euro USD, US30, and Nasdaq and USDJPY. Understand? So that I can actually give you guys an update on what is it that I think the market can do. So, it's very important for us guys to actually analyze the market, very especially on Sunday, but I'm going to actually start analyzing today on Monday because London session haven't yet open. So if we can get the structure of the market way before, then we're gonna understand what is the direction of the day. So let's jumping into the chart and see what we have.
So yeah, guys, now we're going to actually talk about US30 as being the first one on the chart. So I'm going to actually remove everything here so that we don't get confused. So guys, make sure when you trade, guys, you trade with Space Markets, one of the elite broker at the moment. Super, guys. This is one of the elite broker. So I see more of selling opportunities today due to that we broke this low. Understand that yes, the market can come back a bit and then give us a sell from that. So, but with me, guys, if I see a certain place being broken, I already understand where the market it's actually going. I don't know if I have paid the subscription of TradingView or what, because I can see it's being branding the whole time I record. So I think it's because I didn't pay it. I didn't check if I paid or what's so called. So one thing that I'm gonna do, guys, is that I'm gonna highlight my highest point and my current lowest point. So one thing that I like about USDT and with so-called the market is when it comes to the market, it's easy for you to actually understand what's actually going on, because most of the people tend to be confused on something that is like pretty easy to understand. So I'm going to actually create this as being my highest point and this as being my beautiful current lowest point. This is where the market actually reversed and actually played around. One thing that I'm gonna ask you is, what is it that is stopping this buy? This buy is one powerful, and if you can see, it's more powerful than this one because this one had a bullish candlestick, had a bearish, and then had a bullish. This one had bullish. So this is just an opening of candlestick. That one actually bring you a certain mindset that you don't want, whereby you think, the market is going to drop the whole day, the whole week. No, we still have NFPs and CPIs coming through. Understand? So this is what we live for in the market, and that's what I hate. We start living for events. We wait for a certain events to occur in order for us to confirm certain things, and which is for me, it becomes incorrect. We need to wait for. I can't say wait for events. We can't be waiting for events. So this is the first touch, second touch, the third touch that I have told you about. So in most cases, I always say, in order for the market to reverse, it has to give me a pattern. So in the weekly time frame, I don't see a pattern of reversal, and I can't see a pattern of continuation. I just see a candlestick there, which is thoroughly I have to go inside and see what is it that I actually see that will actually give me a certain direction. It's very, very critical and important for me to understand those kind of things. Understand, because in most cases, guys, it's a matter of understanding. Most of the people don't want to agree to the market that if you don't understand certain things, then certain things are going to be difficult for you. You understand? So that's what I'm actually talking about. You understand? So I don't see a pattern of reversal, like a long-term pattern of reversal. Okay, some might say we have a left shoulder this side, and which is will make sense that okay, this can be a reversal. But with the shoulder, I can see how small is the shoulder this side, and which is we can expect something similar to this direction there. You understand? Let me quickly show you guys. You know, this is me determining the market, trying to find the direction of the market. You understand? So I can understand that we can replace this place by the other side, because whatever that happened in the left side can happen in the right side. You understand? But we need to be looking for each and every completion of a candlestick. This one, I believe, could be this one. You understand? So what about this one? What about this one? Could be this one. You get the point. So it's very important for me and you to find those kind of things. But I know that a falling wedge has to be retested due to my analysis of the market throughout the years. I seen that it has to be retested. So I'm going to create places whereby when the market touches, the market reverses, so that I understand that this is the place whereby I will actually take entries on if the market reaches those places. So I don't wanna go go below side. I'm just gonna push to H4 and look at the points, where the market will actually have a perfect reversals. So you see, now we know that okay, we're going to benefit from this point of views of understanding that the market, yes, can pull through until this position. It's possible, I can never say it's not possible. It is possible to come at the certain point. So if we're gonna look at the entry point of sales, where are we going to enter? It's a matter. It always matters. But with me, I'ma tell you, if this candlestick haven't yet closed, hasn't yet confirmed anything. But throughout the momentum, I'ma enter my sales there, push to the below side. I still feel like the buys are still strong, but the analysis says otherwise. So we go with the analysis, we don't go with what we think. We don't trade what we think, guys. We trade what we see from the market. Whatever you think, put it in your brain. We don't want it. We don't want that behavior in this market. So this is what I see. I see this low being taken out, showing that the market has a higher momentum of pushing below side. So here I'm gonna wait for a little bit of a retest when the market, this candlestick says to close below side, so that I can say this is my retest. So when the market touches here, I'm going to enter my selling opportunities without no choice, because I can never buy on a resistance. I never done that before, and I can't start doing that today. Understand? So I'm gonna sell from this point going to the bottom side. So I'm gonna just put it here and get my perfect take profit clean. If it does respect that, I will appreciate myself. But if it doesn't, then I won't blame myself, rather than to reanalyze and get to understand this candlestick broke these levels, and which tells us they're gonna continue pushing to the low. Understand? So now let's push to Nasdaq and see what does Nasdaq does. One of my friend uses this Nasdaq. I don't know why. Maybe it's the one that is so perfect, but I'm gonna try it today. I'm gonna see it. The gap. Oof, oof, ooh, let me see my Nasdaq. The gap as well. It's another story, guys. It's another story. I don't wanna lie. Once I start seeing the gaps, I become excited, because I know I'm going to make money. But this beauty, you understand this beauty. That is why I told you guys we have to get a proper reversal like this one. So I think today we're going to focus most on Nasdaq. Already Nasdaq shows me proper directions. This was just a clean buy. This is a zone, so it's a beautiful buy. It's a zone around 9. We're gonna see perfect buys. So let me check the battery. So those are the things that I see that they're gonna happen. So let's push. You can see yourself that this is what the market is been doing, and without us confusing ourselves, we need to understand it. This is a reversal, guys. It's not a joke or what. Nasdaq is a perfect reversal, because that's a retest. That's a retest. So I'm going to create my current low and my current high, and then this is the places that I'm gonna be playing around. I don't want a lot of places. I just need these 2 places here, and I'm gonna just say H4 quick. I'm gonna try to be as quick as possible, because I already understand that I here no other way. So, and ain't no way we're gonna get different directions, but this side we have a perfect direction here. So I think one is manipulating the other, you know. But with the gap, guys, I have a golden gap strategy that I always emphasize and always teach. So with the gap strategy, it always has to come up and fill the gap after touching the nearest support. Beautiful. I like the fact that it did that. Don't know who's calling me. Ah, man. Like, people like calling, man, and it's about cash. Come on. Not every call has to be about cash, guys. We're no longer gonna answer because of that. Sorry, but it's true, bro. Everything, when people call, it's cash. Hey, cash this, cash that. When you imagine, if it is January, the January is Januarying with us. I don't know in other countries, guys, do you feel what January does? In South Africa, we know what is January, and we've been knowing that for years. So you can see here we have a perfect zone. I feel like the market will take time to give us a certain direction, but here I'ma get my simplest buying opportunities. I don't know until which level. You can just target the simplest take profit at this point. If the market will decide to push further more, that's it. But here, we're milking buy. So we're gonna focus on Nasdaq because I see a perfect buy from this zone. I respect zones more than anything. And truly speaking, with USDT, it has to come back and retest. So it means the market can pull through here and then we push to the bottom side. It's okay. But from here, I'm looking for buying opportunities because we need to fill up this gap. And be conscious, guys, this gap is going to be filled. So now you're going to bet with me. If you say it's not gonna be filled, comment in the session and say it's not gonna be filled. And then me, I'm saying this gap is gonna be filled. Clean gap, easy gap. You understand? Clean, let's go. Let's push, guys. Let's push. The time is okay. Let's push for Gbpusd. I saw a beautiful structure here, and I was like, no way we're gonna let this one slide. Let's push to H4. I used to like trading USDJPY on H4s, because anything to do with GBP, I like it on H4, guys. And most of the people like judging when I say I like things like this, bruh, do your thing. One thing I like about the market, everyone has his own chart. So do your own thing on your own chart and let me do my own thing on my own chart. Understand? Not in a bad way, but that's truth. And the truth is, you see here, we understand that we have broken this high. One thing that we are left behind here. One thing I like with currencies, I don't like a lot of zones because they'll make you enter wrong directions. So here zones for me are take profits. Take profit here. Take profit and nearby take profit. Take profit there as well. Let's check the battery. It's 5%. And then take profit at the end there as well. I end up seeing a sell this other day because it was a third touch there, but not realizing that third touch already happened and occurred. So here the market will play around, guys. If you get the entry point here, push to this point, you will be getting a perfect one. Don't just jumping there during the road. You know what is it that's gonna happen. It's not a new thing. It's been normal to you. You've been blowing, so that is why you are here today. So don't try that. You're gonna lose your capital. So you see here, I just want us to understand that the market has to come back and enter here and push to the top side. Clean, clean, clean. Then I want to push to 60 minutes time frame. We see what is it that it's happening. Guys, it's going to take time to arrive here, but at the end of the day, you get the point. You understand? So I feel like this is where we're gonna reverse. So we can get our buying opportunities at this point because it created a low. It will break this low heading to that point there. Understand? But I want you to get a perfect entry that you never got, which is somewhere here. Understand? Because the market will be playing around here, but at the end of the day, man, I know there will be short-term entries, which is here. Here we're gonna get our perfect buy here, a clean buy, clean buy, clean one. Then we're gonna push at least here. Understand? This is a clean buy, guys. Don't confuse yourself. Clean buy to that point. Simple. Here's the JPY. Where you at? What's happening this side? I haven't been analyzing this one in a while. Let me see the battery again. 4%. Yo, guys, this battery is too fast. I don't know if I'm too slow. I always like saying if you say something is too fast, it means you're too slow. Understand? And then this is our highest point. Easy trade, this one. Easy trade. Pushing from this point, this one. You always repeated the same movement. You are doing the same movement even now. Like, guys, trading it's not that difficult, easy. It doesn't take me too much time to make money. No ways it will take me too much time. From this point, I understand you're gonna push. You have to break that high there, and then we go into that take profit. Easy trade, guys. This one, guys, will just finish it yourself, but it's easy. This is our take profits guide. So thank you guys for watching these videos, guys. I really appreciate your time and your effort. We're gonna be hosting a seminar from March to April. So make sure you name your city there. Bombela, we're gonna be there. Tabeja, we're gonna be there. Bisho, we're gonna be there. Bisho is in Eastern Cape, and Tabeja and Bloemfontein, we're gonna be there. Venda, Giyani, Zanini, Polokwane, we're gonna be there. Cape Town, Durban, Pietermaritzburg, we're gonna be there. So Kimberley, we're gonna be there as well. So we're gonna be in a lot of places, you understand, so that we can actually accommodate everyone. So make sure you name your city if I didn't name it, so that I can be there, you know. So the more you guys name it, the more I come. So let's see you guys on the other side. Thank you guys. Even my hiking, I'm gonna be there, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video.